Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, we're going to talk a bit about the agent manager. So the agent manager is a very useful tool if you have multiple agents. So once you register for your account, you are what we call the owner. So this is the owner account. Right now, this is also the owner account. So if I click here on Nick Tours, which is the owner account, then you will notice that we are not able to delete anything in here. But let's go back, and if we go back and we click on Billy is an agent account, then there's an option to delete. So let me show you exactly how do you know if Billy is an agent. You can see here the user level. So this is a starting travel agent. So what's the difference between a starting travel agent and a experienced travel agent and a manager and an OJT? So first of all, if you're an OJT, you don't have access to the booking date. You only see the to-do and the travel date, and you have no access to the financial numbers in the system. We did it on purpose because we believe a OJT should not know this information because that is not relevant for them. Their most important job is probably to contact customers or to send an email to them, so they have all the information, whatever they need. Next, if you are a starting agent, you are not able to see all the financial data except the data that an agent booked. So if the agent made a booking, they need to be able to see the financials, and only that booking they will see. For a senior agent, they are able to see the financial data from every booking and, of course, from their own booking. The senior agent can also adjust bookings. So let's click here. And if you want to click here, you can click here on edit, and then you can edit the booking here. Senior agent can adjust here everything and update it. Very important. A manager can add a new agent and they can approve bookings. So you can see here the booking says approved. This is not visible for any agent except for the manager and owner. And finally, the owner account can do everything. So they can delete, add, approve, view, everything. It's on purpose like this because the owner should have full control once they need it. But the manager is more focused related to agents than on checking bookings than on anything else. Please note, once a booking, if the booking status has been to approved, the booking here is not anymore editable. So that means that no one can edit the booking, or the agents are not able to edit the booking. Only the manager and the owner can edit it, or if you want an agent to edit it, you need to put back the status to not checked, so the agent gets the option to edit the information. Then of course you have to recheck the information and the financial data, and then you can approve it. And that's really a way. So because we believe it is very, very important that an agent, or that every booking is being managed and checked by the owner or manager. And that's really it. This is a way just to organize and structure your travel agency. So if you're interested in CouponBet, go and register right away. Go to couponbet.com and you can now have it for free. So we're launching it for free. So you have it for free until you hit a specific target. However, that target takes a while to hit, so it should be no problem at all. So what are you waiting for? Register right away on couponbet.com.